I'm here in the Lake District because we're running one of the Impact International programs, which is Kuwait Business. So we've got 20 participants who've all flown in from a whole variety of different countries to attend the training here this week.
We are focusing on 3 different competencies. They are strategic direction, commercial orientation and customer focus.
There's various different projects. Some are outdoors, some are indoors, some are working with charities or not-for-profit organisations, some involving senior managers and innovative ideas, but all of them will involve a lot of time to reflect. We wanted something where the learning would really stick and they would be able to take that learning back into their operating units, increase their own performance, but also increase, ultimately, the business performance.
What is so effective about the experiential approach is that it strips away the technical aspects of their role and focuses on the core element of the behaviours and the mindsets that drive performance.
You can make mistakes and it's not a problem because you learn from it.
I go outside my comfort zone. So I can do that also in other kind of experience.
I've now worked with Impact about 8 years and I've never looked back. Really finding Impact was a gem. Certainly the team that I work with are incredibly warm, engaging, connect with all the participants coming on the events. You've got fantastic facilities here in the Lake District, not just the hotels, but the lovely projects that you've set up in the grounds. You've got a great portal that we utilise extensively, and also the administrative process. You take over everything. It's brilliant. It means that it's not a workload on us internally.